Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are all keeping safe and secure. Stay safe, stay healthy. Anyway, welcome you all to the new academic session 2020-2021. My dear students, shall we do a breathing exercise? All of you sit straight, straighten up your shoulders. Okay, yes, like that. Now, I'll tell you to inhale, then you have to breathe in slowly. Then I'll tell exhale, then you have to breathe out slowly. Shall we do the exercise? Okay, all of you close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, now all of you open your eyes. Yes, that's it. Now, those who are sitting at the window side, can you please peep through the window? What do you see outside? Yes, I'm sure you could see the tall trees over there. Any other thing? Yes, you can see the sky over there. Yeah. Any birds anywhere? Yeah. I could see a bird over here. Do you like watching nature? Do you like nature? I don't think any of my students who doesn't like nature. You all like nature. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. You have to watch the picture carefully. I'll ask you some questions. Okay? Let's see the picture. Okay, children, can you see this picture? What do you see over here? Yes, we can see huge trees. See, two deers are drinking water from river. Other deers are roaming over here. And can you see two birds are sitting on the branch of tree? How beautiful the picture is. It depicts nature's beauty. And see this quote? Can you read it? Yes, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. It is famous quote by famous scientist Albert Einstein. What do you think about this quote? Do you agree with these words? The seasons, the trees, the movement of the ocean, the cycle of the moon, the constant rotation of earth, death and rebirth of all matters. Everything rises and passes naturally. You see, nature needs to be protected for the survival of humans. Earth is not a dwelling place for humans alone. Everything has the right to live on it. Now, my dear students, you can watch a video. Watch the video carefully and later we will discuss on it. watch the video. Yes, nature bounces back when lockdown occurs. When humans retreats indoors, empty streets, silent cities, closed factories, quiet skies dominated by animals and birds. Yes, we know human population increased. A great amount of natural resources were used by humans. It results climate change. Though COVID-19 pandemic affects humans on earth, there has been a positive effects on nature and animals. You see, what are the changes occurred? You have noticed in the video. The air becomes fresher. Hail's gone, smoke gone, and the white Himalayan peak came back into view. Rivers became clean. Wild animals filled the open spaces. Have you watched all that? Yes, these instances are the proof that humans and animals can live together in harmony. Nature has its own way to recover itself with global cooperation.